Heavy duty die cutting. These are the internals on the Big Sister and Little Sister die cutting machines. All metal construction inside, very heavy duty. Here we have the Big Sister. It's the large version, very attractive, very compact, fully adjustable. This is taken from our original crossover technology with thumb wheel action that you can adjust the die cutter to any media that you're die cutting. A wide mouth of 8.5 inches allows you to use either small or large platforms. And of course our handles, all metal handle, it's not going to break, folds up and is magnetically held for easy storage. The Big Sister comes 3 parts: the base, the cutting plate, and an embossing pad. No formulas to have to remember, very simple and easy to use. The Big Sister comes with a 6-inch by a huge 15-inch long platform. The Little Sister, the smaller version, very much like the Big Sister. They're all sisters, I guess. Nevertheless, again, you have adjustable for whatever media you're doing. A little knob on the side allows you to adjust to the media that you're cutting. Again, this is a very compact machine that folds up and takes very little space at all. Very simple, 2 parts, a base and a cutting plate. That's all you need for the Big Sister. Here we have a Big Sister using one of our doily frames, and it's very simple. We've adjusted to whatever the strength of the person is operating this. It goes through, comes out. Generally I recommend down and back a few times, but nevertheless, great results on detailed dies. Go ahead and pull your paper away, and then typical of Cherry-Lin dies, no paper stuck in the cavities. So very simple to use with the Cherry-Lin design. Fold up handle, fold up sides, very compact. We're not going to knock anything over. And so here you have the Big Sister and the Little Sister from the Cherry-Lin family. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye now.